Hi there, my name is Stephan Schluchter. I'm part of the product management team for SAP Process Automation. And this is what I would like to talk about. Well, you know the business processes, shouldn't then you also be able to improve them, extend standard business processes, create net new ones or automate certain tasks? Of course. With the help of SAP Process Automation, you are able to manage the automation of workflows and processes using visual features that require no coding expertise at all. In fact, it empowers the business process experts to become the citizen developers for their processes. With capabilities like Process Builder to build processes, Forms Builder to create UIs, decisions to manage business rules or measure performance with both visibility, making use of some AI capabilities, or even create bots to get rid of these mundane and repetitive tasks. Last but not least, also you make use of great pre-built industry-specific content and also supporting different LOBs. And not to forget, use one unified launchpad where you can work on all the tasks in one unified environment. In fact, with SAP Process Automation, you are able to build with simplicity. So this means you have really a simple and easy access to the tool, make use of content. But this doesn't mean we only are solving simple business problems. In fact, you can really build up comprehensive business processes. You are able to automate faster. Well, because you have everything in one environment, you don't need to think, do I want to build a bot or workflow? Just start and automate as you go. You can operate confidently. This means all the topics like security, governance, user management, and so on is covered because we are part of SAP Business Technology Platform. Now you own the business process and also their implementation. Now you wonder, how do I get started? That's quite easy. SAP Process Automation is available in free tier. We have several tutorials out there on developer.sap.com, and we are part of the low-code, no-code learning journey with a dedicated unit called Build Your First Process with SAP Process Automation. Here we'll learn how you could build your first end-to-end sales order management approval process. By the way, that's an extension use case. You can get an overview of the product, about different use cases, the benefits. You will get started with a project, develop forms, define conditions, and finally also get some visibility into the build process. In addition to that, there are so many cool videos out there from my colleagues on YouTube. Last but not least, join our community, get in contact with the experts, learn more about the capabilities, about use cases, also how to connect with SAP solutions, for example, in some inspiring series of blogs out there. Thank you.